Hi there, and welcome to our presentation on business-related programs offered in the Faculty of Science at the University of Waterloo. My name is Alicia Marr, and I'm the recruitment coordinator for the Faculty of Science, and I'm so excited to tell you all about our business-related science programs. Before we jump in, I'd like to share with you the University of Waterloo's territorial acknowledgement. The University of Waterloo acknowledges that much of our work takes place on the traditional territory of the Neutral, Anishinaabe, and Haudenosaunee people. Our main campus is situated on the Haldeman Tract, which is land granted to the Six Nations that includes 6 miles on each side of the Grand River. Our active work towards reconciliation takes place across our campuses through research, learning, teaching, and community building, and is centralized within the Office of Indigenous Relations. Within the Faculty of Science, we have our Science Indigenous Initiatives, which is the central hub for First Nations, Inuit, and Métis students, researchers, staff, faculty, and allies, all within the Faculty of Science, which provides community guidance, support, and resources to strengthen our shared vision of reconciliation. Feel free to reach out and connect with us at sciendig@uwaterloo.ca. Putting together both science and business gives you the best of both worlds and sets you up to have a bright future, as you'll have a diverse portfolio and a wide range of skills and knowledge that employers are looking for. The business-related majors that we offer in the Faculty of Science are Science and Business and Biotechnology CPA, which stands for Chartered Professional Accountancy. Science and Business is for students who like both science and business, or maybe can't choose between the two. It allows you to incorporate courses in science and get expertise in business disciplines like marketing, economics, and law. Job opportunities after graduation can be from really wide range of areas because you'll have both a science background and a business background. Co-op is available for this program, and some career paths include project management, business analysis, and technology development. Biotechnology CPA is a very specialized program for people who like both biology and accounting. In this program, you'll learn how biological processes are used to develop new technologies while also gaining financial management skills. This program is for students who are interested in biotechnology topics and also want to be a chartered professional accountant. This program is only offered as a co-op program, and career fields include working in audit and tax, research and development, monitoring and assessment, or accounting for pharmaceutical and medical companies. And if you're not sure which program you want to enroll in, or you're not sure which area of science you want to study, Honor Science might be the right place for you. It's our most flexible science program that allows you to focus on the areas of science that you're really interested in. It is also a recommended program for people who want to pursue professional schools like optometry and pharmacy, because it allows you the flexibility to take the prerequisite courses that you need to get into those programs. It's very flexible, so you can also add things like minors and take many electives. But it's important to note that this program is a regular system of study only and does not offer co-op. The career fields for this program are pretty much endless, as you can really tailor your degree to study in the different types of science that you really like. I'd say lots of our graduates go into things like healthcare, education, and research, but really you could go into any field of science after this degree. In the Faculty of Science, we want you to be able to customize your degree to your liking. In science and business, you have the option to specialize your degree in biology, biochemistry, or biotechnology. But you can also choose to remain unspecialized and have a greater freedom in your science elective choices. You can also customize your degree by taking minors. Some common minors in business-related programs include economics, computer science, and human resource management. In both Science and Business and Biotechnology CPA, you'll have experiential learning opportunities, which means you'll be able to have hands-on learning experiences in your lab, workshops, and on your co-op placements. Some skills you'll pick up from these business-related programs include business strategy, public speaking, conflict resolution, and project management. You can then take these skills and apply them directly into the workplace on your co-op terms. Some common co-op employers for business-related science programs include Microsoft, RBC, Manulife, and Toyota. With these programs, you'll be able to work in many different career fields, including management consulting, finance, biotechnology, law, and pharmaceuticals. But what makes Waterloo's science stand out amongst other schools? Well, something really important to note is that you get to start your major on day one. This means that when you apply to be, let's say, a biochemistry student, you actually are a biochemistry student on the first day that you start at school. This means that you get to focus your studies and acquire your knowledge faster because you start your major immediately rather than taking a general first year. You can then use your electives to customize your degree and to really study your passions. The Science and Business and Biotechnology CPA programs are very special because they give you a set of flexible skills. You'll be able to develop strong interpersonal and leadership skills while also gaining technical knowledge. This makes you a highly sought after candidate in whatever career field you choose to be in. These programs also offer specialized science and business workshops. This is where you'll be able to learn and also flex your business and project management skills in specific case studies and projects that are designed to mimic where the two fields of science and business intersect. We also have world-class laboratories, so you can use our highly specialized industry-level laboratories, which help you learn these experimentation skills, help you learn from your failures, and become more confident in your abilities. If you have any questions or would like any information on any of the science programs, please feel free to reach out and connect with us by email at science@uwaterloo.ca. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you on campus one day.